In Year 3, children begin to use numbers up to 1000. If you have a child in Year 3, it's worth watching the Key Stage 1 video to see where they've come from. Children need to be able to order numbers to 1000. To support this, we use a number line going from 0 to 1000, and we put in the increments of 500 in the middle, 250 a quarter of the way, and 750 3/4 of the way. In Year 3, children will continue to use formal written methods and will need to be able to add two 3-digit numbers. We start here in the smallest column. In the ones column, we can make a group of 10 and we need to regroup these. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I take these away and I will regroup them as one group of 10. To write this down, we would say that we now have one extra lot of 10 that has been regrouped, and we record that here, and we still have the 4 ones here. We can then carry on to the tens column, where we add 20, add 40, add 10, which will give us 70, and then we can add the hundreds column. 100, add 200 will give us 300. Children need to be able to subtract a 3-digit number from a 3-digit number. We start in the smallest column. 5 is smaller than 7, so I will need to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Then I have 15 in the ones column, from which I can take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will leave me with 8. When writing it, I do it this way. I exchange here. I will cross out the 3 lots of 10, leaving 2 lots of 10, and bring that 1 lot of 10 over with me. 15 ones, take away 7 ones, leaves me with 8 ones. I can then carry on into the 10 column. 2 10s, take away 1 10, leaves me with 1 lot of 10, and 4 hundreds, take away 2 hundreds, leaves me with 2 hundreds. To support children at home, you don't need to use place value counters. You can use things that you already have at home. So all of these representations show the number 4,321. You could use different colour cubes. You could use different coloured pieces of Lego, or even toys or models that the children have. You might want to use small pieces of paper that have the value of each number of each place value column put on, or you could use something like Numicon. However, to use this, you need to be sure that the children understand that this is not a 4, it is in the thousands column, and therefore it is 4,000. In Year 4, children will begin to use numbers up to 10,000. Children need to be able to order numbers to 10,000, and we will support them with this with the use of a number line. The number line goes from 0 to 10,000, and we put on there 5,000 in the middle, 7,500 and 2,500. In Year 4, children will continue to use formal written methods and will need to be able to add two 4-digit numbers. In class, we would continue to use place value counters for them, but here I'm just going to show you the formal written method, and you can look back at how to use the counters in the earlier part of this video. Again, we start in the smallest column, so we do 8 and 4 more would give us 12. So we regroup our 10 down here and take our 2 here. Then we go to the tens column, where we have another regroup to do. So we have here, we can make a group of 100, 90 and 10 more, and then plus 3 more. So here is our group of 100, and here are our 3 tens. And we then have to remember to include our group of 100 at the bottom. So we have 500 here, add another 100 is 600. And then in the thousands column, we have 7,000 and 1,000, which gives us 8,000. In Year 4, children will need to be able to subtract one 4-digit number from another 4-digit number. Again, we start in the ones column. So here we have 4, take away 6. The 4 is smaller than the 6, so we need to exchange in the tens column. So we take 1 lot of 10 with us and we leave 1 lot of 10 here. We then have 14 take away 6, which will leave us with 8. In the tens column, we have 1 lot of 10 take away 4 lots of 10. The 1 lot of 10 is smaller than the 4 lots of 10, so we go to the hundreds column. We leave 2 lots of 100 here, and we bring 1 lot of 100 with us. We can now think of this as doing 11 take away 4, or 110 take away 40. This will leave us here with 70. In the hundreds column, we have 200 take away 100, which leaves us with 100, and we have 4,000 take away 2,000, which leaves us with 2,000. In Year 5-6, the focus shifts to solving multi-step problems. For example, these are problems that involve using addition and subtraction to find one answer. The methods used are similar to those in Year 4, but feature numbers up to 1 million. Here's an example of how the children will lay this out. The resources used in Year 3-4 can also be used in 5-6. Please watch this section of the video if you'd like to find out more. In Year 5, children continue to apply their knowledge with numbers up to 10,000. In Year 6, this will be extended to numbers up to 10 million. In both year groups, this will also include decimals up to thousands. Children will add and subtract decimals using a similar method shown earlier in this video. We encourage children to be efficient with their methods throughout the school, as they do not always need to use a formal written method. For example, 1,000 take away 950. Children should be able to identify that the difference between these two numbers is 50. Using a formal written method in this instance would take much longer.